Okay, this is putting in the valve keepers. Found this tool right here. Had to learn how to use it. Can't use the thick end even though it looks like you're getting more coverage. Sometimes it's small. I want to use a smaller one. Let me show you. This is how I got them in already. I already did these. You know, all these on this side. The thing is, you know, they recommend to put a towel on there. But if you see how I got it, I got me like a, show you what I got it for. This, I got it sitting right inside each one. So what I came to, this is a quick method I done came up with. Otherwise, I've been having trouble with towel, all that extra shit. See, I got it like that. Right underneath on that valve. Come with the tube. And press down here. That's it. So, one more for you. Go to that one. Straight. Press down on it. Did not go as planned, but I'm going to try again. Take it out. Keep it right there. Got a magnet there and suck it in. So go ahead and get the other one out. Both in there. Can't hold the camera and do both, so get the magnet out of there. Next one, this one, and from the bottom, it's up. Oh, damn it! Next one, trying to do everything with one hand. Yeah. This. Oh. Easy, just take it on all the way out. Trying to do it while it's inside. two hands.